God is the same. There's only one Supreme. So if one of his, Krishna means all attractive, the most beautiful person. Is there a better description, a nicer name to call God? The person who has got the essence of all attractiveness, of all pleasure. Everything nice we see in the world, everything beautiful we see in our friends, in our fellow people, in the world, everything, the nice, the essence, the sweet taste in the water, the light of the moon and the stars, the beauty in the women, the strength in men, every good quality. You see, all the attractive qualities are present in God. And so the name Krishna means that person who is all attractive, reservoir of all pleasure. What a wonderful name. Who else can fit that description except for God? Except for the Supreme Being.
I'm only exploring the depths of your understanding. I'm asking you again. In what?
Well, there's 5 different kinds of liberation. In this Kali Yuga, one has to chant the name of Krishna. In previous ages, there were different names of Krishna which were chanted, and there are different processes of a yoga. One can get impersonal liberation by practicing mental speculation of the Vedas, which is known as Jnana. It is possible that one can understand impersonal liberation, which is known as Sujya Mukti. But that is not considered as real mukti or real liberation by the devotees, because one can fall down from that position. The real liberation is one's individual spiritual identity remains intact, and he sees himself and the Supreme Spirit always. So that particular perfection of liberation cannot be achieved without surrender to the Supreme Person, Krishna. I repeat, any one of his million names could be chanted. Unlimited names could be chanted. It doesn't have to be the word Krishna. But Krishna is recommended for this age. We chant Jaya Govinda, Jaya Jaya Gopala, Jaya Jaya Govinda. We chant so many different names. So in a previous age, they chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vasudeva is the name for Krishna. But that was the mantra in the previous age. At that time, people could also chant Hare Krishna. But the recommended name was Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. In this way, every age has a particular name which is recommended. This Hare Krishna Maha Mantra is the most powerful, because the people in this age are the most sinful, fallen. Therefore, this name is recommended.